Give me a moment. I'm sharing the screen. I hope you're able to see my screen.
Yes, Amrita. Yes.
All right.
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you so much. So, hello everyone, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the session. I'm so sorry. Actually, I'm unable to see my screen. Okay. Okay, so welcome to my session on IELTS Listening. How are you doing today? How are you all doing today? I hope you're all doing great. Let me ask you one question. You all must be having something in your mind about bucket list. What should be in your bucket list? Anything? Joseph.
Sorry.
I have one of the things on my bucket list is to see the seven wonders
Awesome.
of the ancient world. I've seen four of them. I want to see the rest.
Okay, can you name one that you have seen already?
I've seen the Great Wall of China.
Awesome. Okay. So we have got a good
And
start here. Very good. Okay. So I do have a bucket list. And the first thing on my bucket list is this. Can someone tell me or guess what this is? Can you see the picture? Is that clear?
We could see only the first screen, Amrita, not the second slide. Only the first slide is there.
Okay. What about now?
Yes.
All right. So sorry. Yeah. So yes. Can someone tell me what is there in my bucket list somewhat similar to Joseph's? Suniti?
the Great Barrier Reef.
Awesome. The Great Barrier Reef. So we are going to listen to a lecture on Great Barrier Reef. Do you have any information about the Great Barrier Reef?
No, I don't have.
Mercy? Is this in any one of your list? The Great Barrier Reef visiting? I mean,
No.
exploring the Great Barrier Reef?
No, sorry. No, Amrita.
Okay.
It's currently non-existent. It's lost.
Pardon?
It's currently non-existent. I think the entire belt of the barrier reef does not exist now.
Yes, Suniti, you're right. There is some problem going on, but still it's there in my bucket list. I hope that will get solved. Okay. Anything related to nature, there is an issue there. Okay. So now coming to the Great Barrier Reef. Okay. It's the world's largest coral reef. It's pretty large that no one in the whole world has seen it entirely. No one has. We can't even imagine what the size is. Only astronauts got an opportunity to see it from the space. So now, can you guess some vocabulary that is related to Great Barrier Reef? Can I ask Dr. Mangalesh?
Coral?
Coral.
Coral.
Awesome.
Coral. Whale.
Whales. More. Without
Marine life.
marine life. Awesome.
Scuba diving?
Scuba diving, yes, it's an activity. Now, Suniti was mentioning.
Ocean.
Yes, please. What was that?
Ocean.
Ocean. Yeah, of course. Ocean. Any more species that you can name?
Crustaceans.
Okay, related to whales? Come on, we know a lot of fish.
Dolphin, shark,
Dolphin, shark,
sea lion, sea
sea
lion,
lion. Yeah, good going. Okay, thank you
porpoise.
so much. Tortoise.
Walrus.
Yes. Tortoise. Walrus. Thank you so much. Now, since this is a lecture, is it going to be a dialogue or a monologue? I want you to tell me that after listening to just a small part of the lecture, okay? So let me play the listening for you, the listening snippet for you. Someone should tell me if you're able to listen to the audio well, all right? So what I'm going to do is I'll just play the audio for a few seconds so that you get a main idea of what the lecture will be about, all right? And then you have to tell me whether it is going to be a monologue or a dialogue, number one. Number two, after that, I'll be showing you the questions, and then I'll be playing the listening snippet in 3 parts, so that you can answer the questions as well. All right. So let me just play it for you. Is it audible?
No.
No. Okay. Just a second.
No.
Just a second.
One hectare individual reefs, which range in size from 1 hectare to more than 10,000 hectares each.
Can you hear?
In addition, around 600
Yes.
islands are scattered throughout the area,
Great.
particularly.
Okay, so I'll start from the beginning.
Carefully.
Despite its name, the Great Barrier Reef isn't just one large coral reef. Rather, it's a system of coral reefs that stretches along the east coast of Australia, covering an area of around 300,000 square kilometres. The Great Barrier Reef is composed of approximately 3,000 individual reefs, which range in size from 1 hectare to more than 10,000 hectares.
Okay, I hope you got an idea of what exactly is the content of the lecture. So it should be a monologue, right? Since it's a lecture, definitely it will be a monologue. Now let me share the question with you. Can you see my screen? Are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So I'll give you probably 30 seconds to just go through the question, and then we can listen to the snippet again. Just 10 seconds, because the question will be open simultaneously while listening to the snippet. Can someone read this for me? Joseph?
Complete the information about Great Barrier Reef with no more than 2 hours for each. The Great Barrier Reef is made up of 3,000 dash and 600 dash. Over 4,000 kinds of dash can be found there.
Okay. It's 400 kinds of dash can be found.
400, sorry.
And
400 kinds.
write no more than 2 words for each other. All right, just to correct you. Okay, now I'm going to play the snippet, and I've kept it open for you so that you can answer simultaneously. All right, so here we go.
Despite its name,
Yes.
Despite its name, the Great Barrier Reef isn't just one large coral reef. Rather, it's a system of coral reefs that stretches along the east coast of Australia, covering an area of around 300,000 square kilometres. The Great Barrier Reef is composed of approximately 3,000 individual reefs, which range in size from 1 hectare to more than 10,000 hectares each. In addition, around 600 islands are scattered throughout the area, particularly at the northern and southern ends. The reefs themselves are composed of over 400 different kinds of coral, the largest variety of corals found anywhere in the world.
I hope you have answered those 3 questions. Can I get the answer from Kajal?
Yes. The first answer is reefs.
Can someone give us a different answer? Kajal, you have 50%.
Individual reefs.
Individual reefs. Yes, correct. Since they have mentioned no more than 2 words, I was looking for which one would it be. It's the first one. Individual reefs. Very good. The second one, 32.
Islands.
Islands.
Islands. Very well done. And 33.
Coral.
Corals.
Pardon?
It will be singular. Coral.
Corals.
Coral. Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank
So
you.
do you want to continue to one more part of the snippet? Okay. I'm just and this would be about all those animals, I mean, fishes that you mentioned. Okay. So here we go. Just a second.
It's 34 to 40.
Let me just open the question for you. Part 2. You can just go through the first part of the question. Can someone read the question for me? Jason?
Choose 5.
Yes, please. Please go ahead, Suniti.
Choose 5 letters A to I. Which 5 of these kinds of animals inhabiting the Great Barrier Reef are mentioned?
I hope the question is clear. Choose 5 letters A to I. Just 5. More than 5 is given. So which 5 of these kinds of animals inhabiting the Great Barrier Reef are mentioned? All right. So let me play the audio.
Thousands of species of sea animals live in and around the reefs. Altogether, approximately 1,500 species of fish inhabit the reef area, including a number of different kinds of sharks. One of the more interesting mollusks to be found in the reefs is the giant clam. This huge shellfish can live for more than 100 years and can weigh as much as 200 kilos. Sea mammals abound in the area, which serves as a breeding ground for certain types of whales, many of which are endangered. Over 200 species of sea and shorebirds feed, roost, or nest among the reefs and islands. Many types of reptiles can also be found living among and near the reefs. Saltwater crocodiles, for example, inhabit the marshes along coastal areas. Amphibians include at least 7 species of frogs inhabiting the islands of the reef. Unfortunately, this wondrous area of the world is threatened by climate change. Rising sea temperatures have led to an effect called coral bleaching, that is, large numbers of corals dying off, especially in the shallower areas of the reef. The Great Barrier Reef Marine Park Authority is attempting to find effective ways to deal with this issue that threatens the reef. One proposed solution involves shading the reef in certain areas to help keep the surrounding water temperatures down.
That is the end.
Do I need to play the audio again? Are you ready with the answers?
Yes.
Awesome. Okay, so let's check the answers again. What is the answer for 34?
Amrita, we are looking at question 39.
Okay, I'm sorry. What did you say?
You'll have to go back to question 34.
Okay. Yes, yes. Thank you so much. Okay. Yes. What is the answer for 34?
Sharks.
Sharks.
A, B.
Very good, very good. You have to
Thank
write
you.
ABCD, the
Thank you.
letters. Okay? Be very
B.
Clap
careful.
for Amrita. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you so much. On a very quick note, compliments and suggestions for Amrita, please.
I can start.
Please.
It was very good to see questions also along with the listening audio. Otherwise, it is difficult generally to answer. So that was the best part. So well planned in a way. Thanks.
And
Also,
yeah, so
colours
taking
and
us along.
copywriting and the colors, I really liked it. Very visible, easy to understand. Mercy, over to you. Thank you.
Yes, yeah. Even I wanted to mention that, Krish. Thank you so much again. So along with that, even taking us along with the, your bucket list. So that actually kind of grasped, it helped us to grasp like what exactly are you trying to say, or how exactly is your bucket list are you going to incorporate with this particular idea? The way of taking that through, that was really appreciated. Thanks. That was nice.
I really like the questions that you asked. It gave us the idea about what to expect. So that was very clear and that was really nice. One suggestion from my side would be, probably you could have stuck only to the first piece of video, having taken from Krish's recommendation yesterday to just keep it to, less than, I think, 30 seconds, was it, or something like that. So I think probably that's the only suggestion, but you were clear. I like the way you presented. It was really good. Thank you.